Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode on our channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to deactivate your Snapchat account. If you don't want to use Snapchat for a couple of days, then you can easily deactivate your Snapchat account and then activate it when you want it. Now the way that you do it is through the app of Snapchat. You just open up your Snapchat app and then just tap on your Bitmoji on the top left and then tap on the settings icon on the top right. Once you do that, you just scroll down and under support, you just tap on I need help. Now you land on the support page of Snapchat where you can see options of various things. You just need to scroll down a bit and tap on managing my account. A drop down menu will open up. You tap on the last option, which is deleting and reactivating my account. Once you do that, two options will pop up again. You just tap on how do I delete my Snapchat account. Here it's going to give you a few things that you need to know about deleting your Snapchat account. Now deleting and deactivating your Snapchat account is the same on Snapchat. Let me quickly show you. You just tap on this accounts portal, which is written in blue. And here you'll have a small article which tells you about deleting your account. So if you delete your account now and you don't activate it within 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. So if you don't want that, you'll need to activate or reactivate it before that 30-day period. So that's the only way to do it on Snapchat, and there is no separate option called deactivation. And if you want to reactivate it within 30 days, you just type in your credentials, which is your username or your email address and your password, and you'll successfully reactivate your account of Snapchat. Now the way you delete it, you just type in your username and then type in your password and then tap on continue. So that's how you do it. Now if you want to reactivate it, make sure you do it within the 30-day period. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. If you want more of these videos, also make sure to hit that notification bell. That's pretty much it for today, and I'll see you in the next one.